This ChatGPT method earns me over $5 every 20 seconds on complete autopilot while I enjoy the beach view. It's completely free method to earn passive income without actually selling anything, and you also don't need any previous experience for this. So drop a like to this video, and let's start with the first step, which is to come over to Google and search for ChatGPT. You will find this first website by OpenAI. I want you to click on that, and that will show you this page, where you want to sign up for completely free and log into it. Now once you log into your ChatGPT account, I want you to ask ChatGPT for the list of 30 different book genres. And as you can see, we have different categories over here submitted by ChatGPT. We have everything from adventure, non-fiction, self-help books, science books, and so on and so forth. Once you have all those genres and categories of books, you want to ask the ChatGPT to give you 5 different ideas or 5 different books that someone can read in one of these categories or genres of books. For example, I'm going to select a finance genre from here. So I am going to ask ChatGPT for a list of 5 best finance books. And now, ChatGPT will instantly suggest to us the 5 different books that someone can read and that is related to finance. Now you can do the same with any of these different genres available here. And that's exactly how we are going to leverage this free tool to make money online without even selling anything. And of course, without even writing a book ourselves or anything like that, because that's extremely hard. By the way, Rich Dad, Poor Dad was the first financial book that I read. This book encouraged me to start my first ever online business and helped me to become financially independent. Comment down below the first book you ever read. Let's see which book is more popular among our Cash Pro family. Now, let's move to step number 2. I want you to come over to canva.com. Canva is a free online tool where you can create professional design for your business or social media accounts. Just sign up to Canva and log into it. Then, I want you to search for Instagram post in the search bar and select a blank template from here. Now I want you to create an Instagram post for the 5 books suggested by ChatGPT. So this is the example post which I made. There's like 5 finance books you must read. And then, we have the first book name, the book name number 2, 3, 4, and so on and so forth. First, we have the book name, then we have a short description about the book, and at last, we have a call to action. And by the way, we will copy-paste all this information from ChatGPT. For instance, we have this book number 1. And then, we also have this entire description, which I can copy and paste as the second line of this Canva post. And then, below that we have a call to action, so that people can grab this book for completely free from the link in my bio. And if you're wondering like, where am I gonna get these books for completely free? Well, I'm gonna show you exactly where you will find those books for completely free, and how you are gonna make money by giving away those books for free. Again, this is not any kind of selling method, so stay tuned until the end. But first of all, you need to create the Canva post like this. And if you want me to share this template with you for completely free, just let me know in the comments section down below, and then I will add it in the description of this video or in the pinned comment under this video if there are enough comments that actually want this template for completely free, so that you can just easily copy and paste, change the genre over here, add 5 books on this template, and can easily customize it. Then you can download the entire post if you just click on download option right here. All these posts will be downloaded to your computer as PNG file so that you can upload them to social media and make money with it. Now step number 3 is to go over to Google again and search for Audible affiliate program. Open up the first website that appear in the search result. Audible is Amazon's company where you can get all genres of audiobooks, all the different books that you can think of. All of these books that ChatGPT is giving to us are most likely on Audible. And the best part of Audible affiliate program is that you are being paid $5 whenever someone sign up for a free trial. So you can get paid $5 whenever someone creates a free account on Audible. And when they create a free account, they will get 2 books for completely free. So you can get one of these books that you're talking about in your Canva post. And then you can just leave your referral link to it from Audible so that people can get 2 of those books for completely free. When they do so, you are going to be paid $5. If they get even more books and they sign up for an paid Audible account, you're being paid another $10. But let's only focus on the free trial, because that pays you $5 for every free account you generate. If you get 1,000 people signed up in a single month, that's $5,000 without even selling anything. And I will show you exactly how you can get thousands of people signing up to Audible for completely free. So just create an affiliate account with Audible and get your affiliate link from there. Then, the step number 4 is to go over to Instagram and sign up for a new account. And once you log in, first you want to switch this account to Instagram theme page. So just click on Edit Profile, then scroll down a little bit and click on Switch to Professional Account option. Next, you will have 2 professional account options. Just select Creator option and click on the next button down below. After that, just simply click Next again. Now you have to choose a category for your account. And because we will be promoting Audible books, I suggest you to select product or services from there and simply click on the Done. As you can see, our creator theme page is ready. Now, your Instagram theme page is either going to be focusing on one specific niche, or it's going to be simply focusing on all books, where you can host all of the different genres of books, so that you can attract more and more people that are interested in almost all types of book genres. You just have to prepare your page bio according to your niche. Also, don't forget to insert your Audible affiliate link in the bio. After that, find different theme pages related to your niche. In my case, I am going to find theme pages related to investing, finance, and wealth books. For example, this page right here. Make sure they have the reels uploaded to their account, because we will use their viral reels to promote Audible books. And to find viral reels, first take a look at their followers. Like this page has over 18,000 followers. Now just find the reels that has over 18,000 views, because those are the viral reels of this page. And as you can see, there are plenty of reels which has over 100,000 views, and even some of the reels has over 700,000 views. So just open the reels that you like and copy their link from the copy link option right here. And come over to Google again. Search for download Instagram Reels in the search bar. You can use any of these websites to download the reels. So let's just open this site and paste your Instagram Reels link in this box right here, and just simply press the download button. It will just load, and then it will show you the reels you copied. Just click on this button and download the reels to your computer device. Now just go to your profile and upload the reels to your account, but make sure you give credit to the real owner of this reels in the description of that reel. Also include call to action, that is, listen to these books for free, link in bio. Now ask ChatGPT for tags for IG Reels on finance books. Just copy all those tags and paste them in the description of your reels. Now repeat this process with at least 30 to 40 reels in a particular niche. Some of your reels will start getting viral. You can even get thousands of views on those reels. Also, upload the Canva post you created to your Instagram theme page and pin that Canva post in your theme page, so that when your reels start getting attention and when people land on your theme page, they can see that they can get these books for completely free if they just click the link in your bio. And obviously, if they're reading something like that, they're most likely gonna go and sign up there, because you're not selling anything. You're just giving them away something for free, something that they're already interested in. So you can easily attract tens of thousands of people to your account that are most likely gonna sign up to get these books for free, making you thousands of dollars without you actually selling anything. And you can do the same thing on other social media platforms such as Pinterest, Facebook, YouTube, etc. to increase your income. That's it for today. Don't forget to like the video if you get some value out of it, and to make even more money, click the video showing on the screen right now. Thanks for watching.